Yo, what's up? It's your boy X-Treme X-Car here. And as I told you, my boys, in the previous video, I'm going to show you the watch of the SwissChamp XAVT, my boys. So here it says pull to activate. And actually this one, the Swiss Army logo, it's a button, my boys. So we're gonna pull to activate, my boys. We ran into a problem here. Just a sec, my boys. Just a sec, my boys. I'm going to bring another knife. I will be with y'all in a sec. Yo, what's up? I'm back, my boys. I had to fetch for a knife to remove this thing here, the paper. And this is the battery that goes inside. My boys, this is a badass knife, my boys. So we are going to set it up, my boys. So I'm gonna see how to set it. So let's see what time it is. It's like 10 o'clock. Oh, this is not the time. AM. No, this one is not the time. What are we doing here? Let's see, my boys. Let's leave it for a bit. And let's barometer. This is the alarm for sure. So it's gonna make it on. We're gonna press it again. On. We are going to leave it on. Yes. Now we are going to set it. I don't know how to set it, my boys. Yeah, it says on. Now, how to set it? I think you keep pressing, I don't know. Yes, like this. And we are going to do it at 6 AM, my boys. So we're gonna do it at 6 AM. We're gonna leave it for 4 seconds. My voice, it's too goddamn hot here. And I need to arrange the time here. So the time. Why is going backwards, this one? It's 32 degrees, so it's hot in here, my boys. Here we are going to arrange the time because it's not good. I'm going to make it 10 o'clock because it's like 10:01. We're going to fast forward the watch. Come on, my boys. 10:01 right now. So we're gonna leave it for a few seconds. And it's on. So I'm not going to go through the barometer and these things because I don't know how they work. I'm going to leave them for now. So let's see, let's just test the waters right now. We are 14 meters. We are in Malta. Barometer. But I'm not gonna mess with those, my boys. I don't know what that is. The countdown. So this is the stopwatch. 32 degrees. And where is the goddamn alarm? Where is the alarm? Let me see, my boys, because I have to see here. Where's one sec? Sorry, my boys, but I have to see the paper here. As you can see, it will tell you, it shows you how to do it. So this is the alarm. So let's go again for another shot. So that's the alarm. On 4 sec. Okay, and we are going to do it 5 a.m. 6 a.m. Sorry, my boys. So here are the clickety clicks of the button. So that's the alarm. We're gonna leave it there. A few seconds. And that's it. So we're gonna see in the morning if it's going to work or not. So this is actually it is, guys. That's the video. That's how to set up your watch on your SwissChamp XAVT. That's the time, 10:04. So yeah, that wraps the video, guys. It's your boy X-Treme X-Car here. I'm out. My boys, I found out that the watch even lights, my boys, in the dark. So, as you can see, it lights in the dark. Again, as you can see, the watch lights, my boys. That's dope. Yo, what's up? It's your boy X-Treme X-Car here, my boy. Because I forgot to tell you yesterday in the other video when I showed you the review of the XAVT, the dimensions of this bad boy right here. The height is 65 millimeters, the length is 91 millimeters, weight 351 grams. My boys, and it's not that heavy. It's not that heavy.